This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 5: Steering and Sustaining a Conversation. In this session, we discuss conversation involving speaking and listening, considering aspects like the environment and non-verbal communication, with at least 3 related activities covered. Interactions involve mutual participation from both parties, where we adapt our communication styles, with role-playing and acting exercises highlighting challenges like lack of visual cues and the importance of attentiveness signals. Silence during conversation allows comprehension, creates space and signifies understanding, as strategically utilized by Buddha to draw attention and respond profoundly, contributing meaningfully and making points impactful. Cultural differences in conversational styles are illustrated through graphs depicting the American style with no silence between speakers, the Japanese style with pauses, and the Indian style with overlapping speech. The importance of cultural context is highlighted, as conversation often involves 2 or more people communicating, with an anecdote illustrating how patience, empathy, and context enable meaningful interpersonal communication. Effective communication involves elaborated processes like listening for tone and language, speaking with politeness and understanding, avoiding barriers like monotone voice, and utilizing body language. Body postures communicate attitudes, gestures convey meaning, facial expressions communicate emotions and intent, while territorial boundaries like personal space and items are observed during conversations. Context, culture, and conventions greatly influence conversations, shaping communication norms, expectations, power dynamics, and the need for authenticity while being respectful when expressing viewpoints. Our behaviors, language, and physical expressions change based on the context and the person we interact with, as understanding this information is crucial for appropriate conversational conduct. Communication involves more than verbal cues, so sensitivity to nonverbal aspects is needed, with role-playing different scenarios helping develop skills for phone conversations, which may differ from face-to-face strategies. In conclusion, maintaining good human connection requires care and sensitivity, as words and actions can easily hurt or make us feel neglected, emphasizing the need to consider these points to become a better communicator. Key takeaways include adapting roles and styles based on context, leveraging silence strategically, recognizing cultural variations in conversational norms, enabling meaningful talks through understanding and empathy, and acknowledging non-verbal cues conveying attitudes and emotions. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.